We are depending more and more on electrical and electronic devices for our everyday life. When such devices refuse to work, we can have to call a specialist, incurring in an unexpected expense. The curious thing about it is that with a simple operation, in most cases, we can avoid making that disbursement. Whether it's a clothes dryer, a computer, a TV set, or a cell phone, normal operation can be restored by simply turning them off, completely unplugging them from the power line for a few minutes, and then turning them back on as if nothing had happened. An example of this, which has happened to me more than once, is when a clothes dryer suddenly stops working, leaving the heaviest clothes, the ones which normally absorb the most moisture, damp. The clock on the dryer stops, and when trying to restart it, the start button merely produces a loud click. A possible solution is to remove all light clothing, which will usually be dry by now, leave inside the machine only the heavy clothes, and then wait for about 20 minutes. Most of the time, we can now press the start button and the dryer will start working as usual. Another example is a computer that crashes. You can turn it off, disconnect it from the power supply, wait for about 5 minutes, and then turn it back on. A television set which is equipped with a decoder box for online videos sometimes gets stuck and is left with some rather discouraging messages about updating the parameters, obsolescence of your TV, and other nasty things that give us a hard time. Again, the solution may be just to turn the TV set off, unplug the decoder box from the power line, let it rest for about 20 seconds, and then plug it back in and turn them on again, and most likely everything will work normally again. In the case of a cell phone, when it freezes, it can be enough to turn it off completely by holding the power button for about 5 or 6 seconds, then wait for about 10 seconds, turn it back on, wait for the main screen to appear, and to our surprise, it will work as if nothing had happened. Of course, there will be times when your device truly requires the services of a qualified technician, but in a surprising majority of cases, the aforementioned procedure will be enough. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and please subscribe to my channel. Chava Tarin.